This is part 2 of managing teams for the classroom, the final part. It shows how to schedule and create meetings and recordings, how to switch between different teams' accounts, and the importance of communicating expectations to class members regarding their usage of Teams. Meetings and recordings. You can create a meeting, which will be an audio or video call, by clicking the Meet button near the top right of a channel. Scheduled meetings can only be created in standard channels. Private channels, which contain only some of the team members and are indicated by having this little lock icon next to the name, can only hold immediate one-time meetings, not scheduled meetings. To start a meeting, click the Meet icon in the top menu, click the Join Now button, and select participants or send a meeting link or notice to those you're inviting. Meetings can be recorded if desired. Once you have started the meeting in the Teams app, click the three-dot ellipsis in the Controls menu and select Start Recording from the pull-down. During the recording, you can click the Share Content icon in the control panel to share content from your computer, like your desktop. If you have recorded a video you want to make available on the course in CampusNet, you can download the video file to Panopto. To do that, once the meeting has ended, do these steps. Click the meeting icon from the channel screen to open the video. Click the download button in the top menu. When it is downloaded, open the file folder where you downloaded it. The video's MP4 file can be placed on Panopto by following the instructions in this article, How to Upload an External Video File to Panopto. To go to it now, click the card at the top of this screen, or a link can also be found in the description section on the YouTube page for this Part 2 video. Switching accounts. If you are the owner of more than one SEBTS account, such as staff and student accounts, you may have the need to switch your Teams login from one account to the other. Here are the methods for doing that on a computer and on a mobile phone. Switching Teams on a mobile phone. This is a quick and easy function on phones. Here's an iPhone example. Simply open the Teams app and touch your account icon at the top left of your screen. A screen will appear that has an Accounts and Org section. Simply click the account to which you want to switch and it will open. Now when you want to switch back to the first account, again just click the account icon at the top left and click the first account to switch back to it. Switching Teams logins on a computer. From the Teams screen, either in your browser window or in the Teams app, click the account icon at the top and click to sign out of your account. In the window that appears, you may see accounts you signed in previously. Click the one you want or click Use Another Account. A new sign-in window will appear. Sign in with your SEBTS email and password for the other account. Note, if you want to keep both Teams accounts available, an alternative method is to open an incognito or in private window selectable from the three-dot ellipsis at the top right of your browser window. Just sign in to the second account at office.com. You won't need to sign out of the first account, and you will have both accounts available on your computer in different windows. You could also do this by using a different browser type for the second account login. For example, use Microsoft Edge instead of Google Chrome. Finally, In using Teams, it's best to set and communicate expectations to class members. Once you have decided on how you want to set up Teams for your class, it is important to communicate your expectations to students in terms of how often they should check for Teams updates or set up notifications for them, as well as any requirements you have for what features of Teams they should use, such as any forums, Q&A's channel, or group channels you decide to set up. So with these Teams Part 1 and Part 2 videos, you should have the basic information to set up and use your class Teams. Thank you.